Welcome back. Well, our cruise control weather continues to cruise over the next week or so. Changes, though, gradually coming in this weekend with more cloud cover, maybe a sprinkler or two around Easter Sunday, but better rain chances ahead into next week. Could mess with Festival International. More on that in just a bit. First off, though, let's take a look at the big picture as we look at the water vapor imagery and the features, and we got lots of H's and L's. In fact, we have a dry L out in the Gulf. That's just sitting and spinning, working with dry air, nothing going on down there. Meanwhile, we're pretty much under the influence of this bulbous ridge of high pressure that expands through Texas. We see some high clouds off to our north and west, and this upper level low is going to be moving eastward and eventually swing a frontal boundary through the area, and that's going to happen by tomorrow morning. You can see that system, same weather system, producing snow in portions of Michigan, northern Michigan, the upper peninsula, and into Minnesota as well. So it's winter still for some. The rest of us just quiet, and some showers noted over by the desert southwest, so that's a little bit different. For us here locally, fair to partly cloudy skies, high pressure now off to the east, so those southerly winds continuing to dominate through tomorrow morning, so will be mild. Notice the model picking up on one lone isolated shower following this frontal boundary that'll be pushing on through tomorrow, but most of us stay dry. We'll have a period of cloud cover, then the sun comes back out. Temperatures still warm up into the upper 70s to near 80 for tomorrow. Cooler tomorrow night. That's when we'll feel the effects of that high pressure ridge moving in. So some 10 degrees cooler, but still comfortable, about 50 the low. And then for your Wednesday, a return of southerly winds back into the lower 80s. And that's the way it goes for the rest of the week into the weekend, pushing low to mid 80s with a mixture of clouds and sun Thursday, Friday, and beyond. In fact, let's look ahead to the Easter weekend. For Saturday, we just have plenty of cloud cover, low to mid 80s. Sunday, there could be an isolated shower or two, hopefully a little bit more sunshine there, low to mid 80s once again. Then as we head toward Monday, it gets a little bit more wet in the region, and some of that action could impact us Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then perhaps Wednesday night into Thursday. We'll talk more about the extended outlook in the 8 to 14 day period coming up on Acadiana's News Channel at 10. Near term, though, we're lower 60s across the board tonight. For tomorrow, upper 70s to near 80 down along the coast, and then tomorrow night we'll feel that cooling effect of that frontal boundary. Temperatures ranging from the upper 40s in the northern portions of Acadiana to low to mid 50s elsewhere, near 60 down by Cameron by the water. 62 the overnight low tonight, so a quiet evening ahead. Maybe some cloud cover and or light fog towards sunrise, but it shouldn't be too thick. And then for tomorrow, we'll go with mostly cloudy skies to start the day. Those clouds, though, will eventually clear out as we head into the afternoon hours, and we'll be back to sunshine. Temperatures in the upper 70s. Breezy north winds kicking in 10 to 15 with a few gusts to 24 tomorrow afternoon. Nice week ahead as we round out the week. Then the cloud coming in this weekend, and then better rain chances developing as we head Wednesday and beyond, and more than likely carrying into the following weekend as well. But we'll have to wait and see on that. The pattern could change. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.